A tornado relief distribution center fears it may have to shut down if it cannot find a new space. 2 News reporter Judith Ratana tells us what they need to continue the tornado recovery.
Well, we're here at the Cricket Wireless store on Brand Pike in Huber Heights, and for the last several weeks, carloads of cars come every day to drop off donations for tornado victims. Now, the space next door to the Cricket Wireless has been empty, allowing an organization to be there, but now that a new tenant is coming in, the organization has nowhere to go. More than 4,000 square feet.
Bedding, toys,
Stocked with hundreds
anything and everything anybody would need.
of tornado relief donations. The landlords allowed them to operate here for free. Now it all needs to be packed up.
We're pleading to the public to help us get a location, somebody to donate a warehouse to us.
Folks from around the community came together to form Jeannie's Wish, a Huber Heights-based nonprofit working towards tornado relief. Volunteers say they don't want to see all their efforts stop now.
There's still a lot that needs done in the area. A lot of people still need help. We still finding people that's living on the streets.
Donations aren't slowing down.
They're moving it out as fast as we can, and it comes in just as fast as it goes out.
The clock is ticking. The team only has 2 weeks to find a new space. It will need to be big enough to hold things as large as washing machines and as small as teacups.
We are with a nonprofit, so it is something they can write off on taxes.
Donations are halted temporarily until someone can provide a free space.
We would be really thankful and gracious. That would really help us out.
It'll surely help tornado victims who continue to be in need. Now, volunteers are starting to do their packing up this upcoming weekend. If you or anyone you know has a space available for the organization for free, we do have their contact information at WDTN.com. Just click under As Seen on 2 News. Live in Huber Heights, Judith Ratana, 5 on 2.